Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, we will talk about the extreme solution for Adhesion, the solution that solved all my problems. And as you can see, I'm talking about double-side tape. I was quite desperate with Adhesion, so I tried a double-side tape, something that is generally used for scrapbooking. After having this idea, I checked Google and YouTube in order to have more information about it, and to be honest, I didn't find a lot of things, and what I find was not so efficient I thought, so I decided to simply try. The first thing to do, obviously, is to glue the tape on the bed. It's easy, but you have to take your time and to do it with precision. Each strip has to touch the other, but you have to be careful to not cross any strip. And finally, with a good tool, it's easy to remove the protection in order to have the double-side tape ready. The only thing that you will have to adjust because you are using double-side tape is first the settings of the temperature of the bed in Cura directly, or you can do it with your 3D printer. And the second thing will be to adapt your bed leveling to the thickness of your double tape, in my case 0.2 millimeters. It's not a problem when you have a BL touch because the correction will be automatic, but if you don't have a BL touch, remember to adjust your bed leveling, and it's quite simple. You just have to use a layer of double-side tape on the regular piece of paper that you are used to use for adjusting your bed leveling. And now you can believe me, with a glass bed and a double-side tape you can print everything, even this little object with very difficult supports, for example. And finally, another great thing about it is that you will be able to remove really easily the object from the bed. You just have to go to high temperature, 60 degrees for this example, and then with a scraper or a removal tool, the tape will be removed easily and the object will come with the tape. No deformation, no distortion, the object is perfect.